Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can earn 500 rupees every single day using AI tools. And the best part is, you don't need any special skills to get started. Most beginners don't know where to start or which online work actually makes money. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method that you can start today itself. So watch carefully, because this method is simple. But if you follow it properly step by step, you can also start making money online. What's the main problem is? Most beginners think they need skills, experience, or strong English to make money online, and because of this, they never even start. But the truth is simple: AI has made things much easier, and the entry barrier is almost zero. Today, you can follow a simple system and start earning online. Now, let's go directly to the method. For this, we'll use ChatGPT. ChatGPT can create scripts, captions, hooks, and content ideas for you. That means you don't have to write everything yourself. Now, here's what you need to do: open ChatGPT and type, "Give me 10 short video or reel scripts for social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube in the niche. For example, fitness, motivation, facts, ads, or business tips." I will provide this prompt and some other prompts in the description. For this example, we are generating scripts for cafe ads. Now, you'll get ready to use scripts that you can turn into short videos. This step is important because we'll use this script to create the video in the next step. Here we'll use Pictory AI. So what does Pictory AI do? It turns your text into videos automatically. You just need to select script to video option. Now paste the script you got from ChatGPT and click on the generate button. Pictory AI will automatically add scenes, stock footage, and captions to your short video or reel. Then make sure you customize the video a little. Change the font, add highlights, and choose good background music. Don't skip this part. If your video looks polished, it will look more premium, and premium looking videos can help you earn more money. Now your short video is ready, and I'll also place the sample cafe ad video link in the description. And now comes the most important part: getting clients. For this, you can use Instagram, Facebook, Fiverr, and Upwork. First, Instagram and Facebook. These are some of the fastest ways to get clients. Search for pages that are already posting reels, but their content quality is average. Then send them a simple and polite message. "Hi, I came across your page and really liked your content. I create short form reels using AI tools, and I think I can help you create more engaging videos consistently. If you want, I can also send you a free sample." That's it. If you send 20 to 30 DMs every day, you'll start getting replies. And this is how you can get your first client. Next is Fiverr. On Fiverr, you create a gig to show your service to clients. In simple words, you tell people what type of videos you can create for them. Keep the title simple. "I will create AI short videos for Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts," and upload your sample videos. This platform is beginner friendly. Next is Upwork. Upwork is great for long term clients. Search for short video editor or Reels creator. Then send a simple proposal. "Hi, I can create engaging short videos using AI tools. I can share samples." That's enough. Don't make it too complicated. Now let's talk about earnings. As a beginner, you can charge around 100 rupees to 300 rupees for one video. And if you sell even 2 or 3 videos daily, you can easily make 200 rupees to 500 rupees per day. And as your skills improve, you can increase your prices too. Now, this won't make you rich overnight. But if you stay consistent, this method can genuinely help you start earning online. Quick recap: use ChatGPT for scripts, use Pictory for videos, use Instagram, Facebook, Fiverr, and Upwork to find clients. That's it. And if you follow this step by step, you can also start your online earning journey. If you want more simple and practical methods like this, don't forget to like the video. And if you have any questions, write them down in the comment section. Also, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, all the best.